Namaste and welcome dear Mercedes-Benz and AMG patrons. I am Avijit, your host for the day. Today we are at the Fizzy Digital launch of the first ever 53 series in India. The all-new Mercedes AMG GLE 53 4MATIC Plus Coupe. Our approach of Fizzy Digital was not just for our products but also for our customers. We pioneered this Fizzy Digital sales platform called Merc from Home during the current scenario. The response for the Merc from Home initiative has been really impressive with the virtual consulting and e-commerce platform emerging popular options for customers. And now I request Mr. Yashwant Jabak, Chairman, Mahavir Group, to come onto the stage and share the highlights of the all-new Mercedes AMG GLE 53 Coupe.
Good evening, one and all. Welcome to all friends present here and those who have joined us virtually. Today is a big day for all AMG fans as we introduce the first ever 53 series at our exclusive facility, the AMG Performance Center, Hyderabad by Mahavir Motors. Launched in 2015, AMG Performance Center Hyderabad has delivered more than 150 cars in the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Mercedes-Benz India has decided to excite the customers since the lockdown with a series of product introductions. We have introduced the AMG C63 Coupe, the GTR, the GLS, and two new variants of the all-new GLE. In the past few months alone, Mercedes-Benz India has driven into the Indian market more than 2,500 horsepowers, and I'm sure that's something which will excite each and every Indian. Coming to the hero for today, the GLE, the most favorite SUV for the Indian lovers. GLE is a very versatile SUV, and currently we have the latest generation in India. The range of the GLE is vast, starting from the GLE 450, the GLE 400D, the Hip Hop Edition, the GLE 300D, and the GLE Coupe. We have a GLE for every customer who wants to buy a luxury SUV. With the GLE 53, the GLE range now even becomes more compelling to choose from. Till date, the GLE remains the highest selling luxury SUV in India. We have more than 13,000 units of the GLE running on the roads of the Indian market. And it is the most successful SUV ever launched in the luxury segment in the country. Our goal is to keep strengthening the GLE portfolio with the latest models. The earlier GLE was also offered in the AMG version, the striking GLE 43 AMG Coupe. You'll be surprised to know that the GLE 43 AMG Coupe already has some great achievements to its name. In a short time since it has been launched in January 2016. It's also the first SUV coupe from the MB India stable. The GLE 43 was a runaway success for AMG fans who wanted a stylish SUV coupe in GLE. Today we are ready to launch the all-new Mercedes AMG GLE 53 Coupe, which is a spiritual successor of the GLE 43 AMG. We are introducing the 53 series in India first time with the GLE 53 Coupe. We want to bring a new series in the AMG portfolio for our AMG fans in India. 53 series is the first ever AMG with the F1 inspired EQ boost technology. This means that the GLE 53 is a performance car and a completely driver's SUV. I'm sure you will see it for yourself and would love to drive the SUV coupe on the Indian roads.
I thank Mr. Yashwant Jabak for sharing the highlights. Product AV, please.
Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Now is the time to raise the curtains to this beauty, and I'm really excited, and so you are. I request Mr. Ishwan Jabak to unveil the beauty in flesh. Sir, I request you to please announce the price.
We believe that the best products deserve the best of services, and we are here to offer both. The new GLE 53 Coupe comes with an affordable and convenient service package that will drive peace of mind and a hassle-free ownership experience for our customers. Star Ease Compact Service Package starts at INR 92,000 rupees for 2 years, unlimited kilometers. The new AMG GLE 53 Coupe is priced at 1.20 crores ex-showroom. With this, we come to the end of our presentations. Though we could not meet at all in person, we hope you're taking good care of your health, staying healthy, staying fit. God bless.
Now I would like to invite AMG experts to explain the product and its lovely features.
Good evening everyone, I'm Asrar Muhyiddin.
And I am Varun Singh, and we represent the AMG Performance Center, Hyderabad. This evening, we bring to you the first of the AMG 53 series that has come to India, the Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Coupe. Let's start with the aggressive and sporty stance of this SUV coupe. What strikes the most is the AMG specific radiator grille with 15 vertical fins, the AMG specific bumper with night package. As you can see, it comes with our signature multi-beam LED headlamps that can throw a light focus of about 650 meters.
Let's move on to our favorite part of the gorgeous coupe, side silhouette. First thing can anyone notice are these sporty 21-inch 5 twin-spoke light alloys. GLE 53 Coupe blends the power of an off-road vehicle with appealing sportiness and elegance of a coupe. Not only does this car look beautiful, but it is also designed for its practical purposes. I believe this can be well demonstrated by 655 liters of boot space, which can be further expanded up to 1800 liters of boot space. To make things even more convenient, GLE Coupe's rear suspension can be lowered by 60 mm thanks to the air suspension.
The variable adjustable exhaust flap gives the driver an option to select the sound that he would prefer by just the push of a button. Now let's check out the interiors of this gorgeous coupe. The GLE Coupe not only defines the sportiness of a sedan, but also the robust features of an SUV. The two large 12.3-inch high-definition screens come as standard, arranged next to each other, creating a sublime widescreen look. This is the first AMG line that would be offering the segment leader in infotainment system, the new Mercedes MBUX. The AMG Performance steering wheel with the steering wheel buttons resemble Formula 1 steering wheel for a reason. The AMG steering wheel buttons are ergonomically positioned within the direct reach so that your hands always remain on the steering wheel. One can choose between the 7 different dynamic modes the car has to offer, which is Sand, Trail, Slippery, Comfort, Sports and Sports Plus. Well, if that wasn't enough, we have more interesting standard features like the heads-up display for driving enthusiasts. In a tropical country like ours, the GLE 53 Coupe is surely a mild muncher regardless the extreme weather conditions. The climatized seats for the driver and the front passenger comprises of seat heating and seat cooling for good ventilation. For all the music lovers, the GLE 53 Coupe comes with a 13 high-performance speakered Burmester surround sound system like the engine. Also, the car is connected with our class-leading Mercedes Me Connect feature.
Let's move to the heart of the 53, its powerful engine. GLE 53 comes with a state-of-the-art 6-cylinder inline engine electrified with 48 watts technology. This is the world's first production AMG-specific engine that comes with F1-inspired EQ-Boost technology. This engine turns out 435 bhp and 520 Newton meters of torque. With an additional 250 Newton meters of torque and 22 HP via EQ Boost over short periods, it can sprint 0 to 100 in just 5.3 seconds. It comes with an advanced speed shift TCT 9G transmission.
Thank you AMG team for the wonderful product demonstration. With this, we end our session. For more details, please do visit us, Mahavir Motors, AMG Performance Center, Hyderabad. Thank you for tuning in.